The Amada 500A Replacement Guide Kit contains 4 precision machine carbide side guides and replaces Amada part numbers 1200774B and 75B, and is designed for 1.5-inch Amada machines like the HA500 and the HFA500. Now this kit is a complete set of 4 side guides. The main difference in this kit is that you're going to have basically 2 variants, 2 flat guides and 2 coolant channel style guides. And one of each is going to have a screw on and then a pin on. So you just need to make a note during that deinstallation where those guides were. That way, whenever you go to do the reinstallation of your new black iron guide upgrade kit, it's seamless and straightforward. Now this kit does not include a set of backup guides. If you're needing a set of backup guides for your machine, you'll have to buy them separately. You can refer to your owner's manual, or you can always contact us if you're needing help finding the correct backup guide kit for your particular machine. Now carbide side guides are mounted on either side of the blade where the guide arm contacts the bandsaw blade, and it is their job to support and guide that blade through the cut. Every black iron carbide guide is CNC machined and silver brazed for unmatched accuracy and quality. And it's that silver brazing process that creates an extra durable bond between our machine guide bodies and our top grade tungsten carbide, providing a reliable and durable product. Black iron guides also feature factory spec coolant channels and chamfered slots, returning your saw back to like-new cutting performance. And of course, all of our guides go through a surface grinding process which creates a good, uniform contact patch against those carbide pads to the blade. Now installation, of course, is straightforward because this kit is a direct replacement. All black iron guides are only sold as complete kits. Now this ensures the customer has what he needs to increase his blade life and his production. And it's also a way that keeps the overall cost of that kit up to about 40% lower than most manufacturers' parts. You know, in some cases, you can purchase the entire kit for less than you can a single guide from the manufacturer. When you upgrade to the black iron guide kit, you will lower your repair costs, upgrade your machine with far superior parts, increase blade life, and of course, increase those machine production times. So, the choice is an easy one. Black iron guide kits make the finest replacement parts in the industry. I'm Austin Zimmerman, and thanks for watching.